will come, it will be difficult to work also.
The upcoming Meghalaya Games, set to begin on January 20th, will see most of its disciplines, except swimming and golf, taking place in West Jaintia Hills district. Sports Minister Shaklir Wajri confirmed on Wednesday that the region sports infrastructure is fully prepared to host the event. The opening ceremony will be held on January 20th, and most of the competitions will take place across various venues in West Jaintia Hills. In a related development, the sports minister also revealed that he met with the Union Sports Minister last month and formally submitted a proposal to host the 39th National Games in early 2027.
The opening ceremony will be on the 20th. As of now, all the preparations are ongoing, and everything is positive. 20th of this month is the opening, and 25th is the closing ceremony.
All the disciplines will be in Johor.
Yeah, all the disciplines within West Jaintia Hills. In terms of infrastructure, we are ready to host the national game as well. As you can see, there are so many infrastructures coming up in our state across all districts. So I am positive that if given the chance, we will be able to host the national games.
The